If I told you every single project in this video started at Dollar Tree, you might think I was exaggerating. But what you're about to see looks like high-end garden decor pulled straight from a boutique catalog, not budget DIYs. These are the kinds of pieces people assume cost a fortune, yet they're made with simple materials, smart techniques, and a little creativity. Stay with me, because some of these transformations are honestly hard to believe. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, the channel where we turn affordable finds into beautiful timeless outdoor decor that actually looks expensive. If you love saving money without sacrificing style, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, take a second to like this video, subscribe for more budget-friendly garden ideas, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. I love seeing how far this community reaches, and it really helps support the channel. Let's dive in. DIY number 1, Chinoiserie style planter. This first DIY looks like a high-end ceramic planter you'd spot in a boutique garden shop, the kind with a price tag that makes you pause. The crisp white base paired with classic blue Chinoiserie patterns instantly elevates the entire piece and gives it that imported designer feel. Once it's styled with greenery, it doesn't read as plastic at all. It looks polished, intentional, and surprisingly luxurious for something that starts at Dollar Tree. What makes this DIY so effective is how much visual impact the pattern creates with very little effort. Decoupage gives the planter depth and detail, while sealing everything in makes it durable enough for everyday garden use. This is one of those projects where guests will assume you splurged, and when you tell them it was a Dollar Tree DIY, they genuinely won't believe you. DIY number 2, tall stacked tiered planter. This DIY instantly makes a space feel taller, more structured, and far more high-end than it actually is. The finished planter has the presence of a statement piece you'd expect to see flanking the entrance of a luxury home, or anchoring a professionally designed patio. Its clean lines and vertical design draw the eye upward, which automatically makes even small outdoor spaces feel more intentional and styled. Once painted in a stone or concrete finish, it completely loses that plastic look and blends right in with upscale garden decor. What really sells this project is the scale. Height is something most budget planters lack, and stacking multiple pieces creates drama without clutter. When filled with cascading flowers or structured greenery, it looks custom-built rather than DIY. This is the kind of planter people assume was expensive, heavy and professionally installed, when in reality it's lightweight, affordable, and surprisingly easy to recreate using simple Dollar Tree finds. DIY number 3, garden trellis arch. This DIY creates the kind of garden moment that usually takes years to achieve. A trellis arch instantly adds structure, depth and a sense of permanence to any outdoor space, whether it's placed at the entrance to a garden path, over a walkway, or used as a backdrop for seating. The finished look feels romantic and established, like something that's always been there. Even before plants start growing on it, the shape alone makes the space feel more intentional and thoughtfully designed, not like a temporary setup. What truly elevates this project is how easily it blends into its surroundings once climbing plants or greenery are added. As vines weave through the metalwork, the arch starts to look custom and professionally installed, similar to wrought iron pieces that cost well over $100. The layered texture, height and symmetry give it that high-end garden aesthetic people usually associate with large estates or botanical gardens. It's one of those DIYs that quietly transforms the entire space and makes everything around it look more expensive too. DIY number 4, Baroque hot glue planter. This planter is all about texture, detail, and that old-world elegance you usually only see in handcrafted ceramic pieces. The raised decorative elements instantly give it a sculptural quality, making it feel more like art than a basic garden container. Once painted in a single cohesive color, the shadows and highlights created by the details make the planter look heavy, substantial and intentionally designed. It fits beautifully into classic European-inspired gardens, but also works as a statement piece in modern spaces that need a touch of character. What makes this DIY especially impressive is how custom it feels. Every decorative element is placed by hand, which gives the planter a one-of-a-kind look that mass-produced decor simply doesn't have. When styled with something simple like boxwood, lavender, or even a small tree, the planter becomes the focal point of the space without overpowering it. Most people would assume this came from a specialty home store or artisan market, never guessing it started as a budget, Dollar Tree item transformed with a little creativity and patience. DIY number 5. Classic Garden Bird Bath. A bird bath instantly adds charm and purpose to a garden, and this one has the timeless shape and presence of a stone piece you'd expect to see in a curated landscape. The wide basin, balanced pedestal, and simple silhouette give it that traditional look that never goes out of style. Placed among flowers, or near a seating area, it feels like a natural part of the garden, rather than an added accessory. Even before birds discover it, it already elevates the entire space visually. What really makes this DIY feel expensive is how well it blends function with design. The layered construction gives it the right proportions, while subtle texture or a stone-like finish helps it mimic heavier materials. Once it's styled with surrounding greenery or decorative stones at the base, it looks like a permanent garden feature. It's the kind of piece people assume was purchased from a garden center or landscaping supplier, not created from simple Dollar Tree finds in an afternoon. DIY number 6. Faux Terracotta Trifle Bowl Planter. This planter has that warm, earthy look that instantly makes a garden feel grounded and established. The pedestal shape alone gives it an elevated, classic feel, while the terracotta finish adds a rustic softness that works beautifully with both modern and traditional spaces. Once it's filled with succulents, herbs or trailing greenery, it looks like an aged pottery piece that's been collected over time, not something recently made from plastic. What makes this DIY so convincing is the texture. The matte, slightly rough finish mimics real clay so well that most people won't even question it. The color variation and subtle imperfections add to the realism, giving it that handmade quality expensive planters are known for. Styled on steps, along a pathway, or grouped with other pots, it blends seamlessly with real terracotta and becomes one of those pieces that quietly makes the whole garden look more curated and thoughtfully designed. DIY number 7. Magical Fairy Garden Village. This DIY creates an entire little world within your garden, and when it's done thoughtfully, it looks far more curated than playful. Instead of feeling cluttered or overly themed, the layered elements give it depth, balance, and visual flow. Stone pathways guide the eye, tiny structures add height and interest, and moss softens everything, so it feels naturally tucked into the landscape. Whether it's placed at the base of a tree, inside a large planter, or along a garden bed, it becomes an unexpected focal point that draws people in. What makes this fairy garden feel expensive is the attention to detail and restraint. Each piece has a purpose, and nothing feels randomly placed. The textures work together, the colors stay cohesive, and the scene feels intentional rather than crowded. When soft lighting is added in the evening, the entire setup takes on a magical glow that feels straight out of a storybook garden display you'd see at a specialty nursery. Most people are surprised to learn the pieces came from Dollar Tree, because the finished look feels customized, layered, and far more refined than you'd expect from budget materials. DIY number 8. Solar Light Lamp Post Garden Stakes. This DIY completely transforms outdoor pathways and patios, giving the kind of professional, intentional look that usually comes from expensive landscape lighting. The tall, slender posts create height and presence, immediately drawing the eye and giving structure to your garden at night and during the day. Placed along a walkway, lining a patio, or flanking steps, these lamp posts don't just light the space, they define it, creating a polished, curated feel that elevates even the simplest garden layout. The design is simple yet dramatic, showing that height and repetition alone can make a huge visual impact without spending a fortune. What makes this project feel so high-end is the combination of scale, finish, and placement. By extending Dollar Tree solar lights with broom handles or dowels, you give them the look of full-sized lamp posts used in professional landscaping. Securing them properly and adding a paint finish to match your outdoor aesthetic makes them look intentional and integrated into the overall garden design. At night, the glow from each light feels soft, warm, and inviting, completely masking their humble origins. People will naturally assume these were a significant investment, yet they're lightweight, fully functional, and entirely affordable. It's a perfect example of how smart design choices can make simple materials look luxurious. DIY number 9, Farmhouse Bucket Planter Makeover. This farmhouse-style bucket planter is the perfect combination of rustic charm and timeless appeal, instantly giving any porch, patio, or garden corner a curated vintage feel. The galvanized bucket silhouette already suggests authenticity, but it's the finishing touches that elevate it from a simple container to a statement piece. Weathered paint, subtle textures, and thoughtful detailing create the impression that this planter has been lovingly aged over time, as though it belongs in a farmhouse garden or on a cozy country porch. Once filled with seasonal flowers or greenery, it instantly feels like part of a styled outdoor vignette rather than a standalone budget find. The beauty of this DIY lies in its texture and versatility. Mixing acrylic paint with a little baking soda gives the surface that subtle worn-in patina that makes it look naturally aged. Adding accents like rope handles, stenciled lettering, or vintage-inspired labels reinforces the farmhouse aesthetic and makes the planter feel custom-made. The overall result is a piece that not only holds plants but tells a story, making it feel intentional and high-end. Even when paired with other garden elements, it elevates the entire space, giving it cohesion and style. Most guests would assume this was sourced from a specialty decor store, completely unaware that it began as a simple Dollar Tree bucket transformed with a few thoughtful techniques. DIY number 10, Living Green Wall Privacy Panel. This living green wall is the ultimate showstopper, instantly transforming a patio, balcony, or small garden space into a lush high-end retreat. It has the visual impact of a professional installation you'd see in boutique hotels or luxury outdoor spaces, yet it's completely achievable with budget materials. The layered greenery, fullness and structure create depth, turning what might otherwise be a blank wall or dull corner into a vibrant focal point. Whether used for privacy, decoration, or simply to add texture and color, this DIY gives the impression of a custom-designed living feature without the high price tag. What makes this project truly impressive is how it mimics the richness of real plantings without waiting for anything to grow. By connecting Dollar Tree trellises and weaving faux greenery and florals through the panels, you create a full professional-looking wall in a fraction of the time. Layering different types of foliage, adding florals, and securing everything carefully ensures no gaps, giving the wall a seamless, lush appearance. Wrapping the bottom in jute rope or burlap adds a finished basket effect, enhancing the overall aesthetic and making it feel thoughtfully designed. Once in place, this green wall transforms the entire space, creating instant privacy, height, and a sense of depth that makes the patio or garden feel custom designed. Visitors will naturally assume it's a costly professional installation, yet it's entirely made from affordable finds, making it the perfect high-impact, low-cost DIY for any outdoor area. And there you have it, 10 stunning Dollar Tree DIYs that look expensive, each one carefully designed to transform your outdoor space without breaking the bank. From elegant Chinoiserie planters and tiered statement pieces to whimsical fairy villages and lush living walls, every project proves that budget-friendly materials can achieve high-end results when paired with creativity and attention to detail. These DIYs don't just hold plants, they elevate your garden, patio, or balcony, adding texture, height, and style that make the entire space feel intentional and thoughtfully curated. If you tried even a single project from this list, you've already saved hundreds of dollars while creating something completely unique. I'd love to hear which DIY was your favorite, or which one you're most excited to recreate. Leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these ideas inspiring. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly garden transformations, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new project. With just a few simple materials, a little creativity, and some patience, you can completely redefine your outdoor space, making it look like a professionally designed garden without spending a fortune.